Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. When XRP wins for the first time, this is what happens. In their annual shareholder letter, Goldman Sachs mentions cryptocurrency. While praising the rising prominence of digital assets and blockchain technology, Goldman Sachs cautioned about possible dangers, such as cybersecurity flaws and market volatility, in a letter that acknowledged the role of cryptocurrency in financial markets and competition. Even though they've been quietly discussing volatility for a while, Goldman Sachs is now speaking out about cryptocurrency. This was published in 2021 by Goldman Sachs. Coinbase banks join Ripple Net to handle cross-border payments in real time, with end-to-end tracking and certainty accessible in 55+ countries across 6 continents. Presentation, Deck 36. With Ripple Net, connecting and transacting across a strong network of banks is a breeze. Remember back in 2021, when we said that financial institutions could use Ripple to access previously inaccessible or prohibitively expensive markets. Now consider all that Ripple has accomplished since then. Acquired money transmitter licenses across the globe, made acquisitions during the entire bear market, and opened up all kinds of rails all over the world. Since then, Ripple's growth has been relentless. Goldman Sachs is Ripple's sole partner. This is a sales director from Goldman Sachs, who has recently joined Ripple. You can see Kirk Stokes there, and you wonder who he's selling to. Yet, Ripple has a plethora of contacts and non-disclosure agreements. Be patient till all those non-disclosure agreements are published. While everyone is confused about XRP's future, just wait for the major announcements to start rolling out. For more than 10 years, Ripple has been setting things up. Neither Ripple Net nor XRP will ever be replaced. Ripple is addressing Swift's issues. It's providing an option that Swift doesn't. XRP is about to become the bridge currency for the entire globe. Anything valuable can be moved by it. The S&P 500 index had its greatest day of 2025, adding more than $1 trillion to its market worth. Keep in mind the huge decline in cryptocurrency and the subsequent sell-off. I predicted that everything would turn around the same day that it was happening. These dips will expose the weak hands. Because they are unsure of what they have, many sell in a panic. The stock market, the real estate market, and the XRP ledger all experience a full turnaround. The first installment of their real estate investment pool was eventually paid off by Alicia. The next logical step is the tokenization of real estate, and once that gains traction, a plethora of changes will ensue. This trend will only intensify in the future. I predict, first and foremost, that many properties will undergo revaluations. Lots of things are likely to change, and individuals will either adapt or be caught unaware of them. When purchasing a house, you need also be careful not to obtain a tokenized piece of real estate. Everything is going to be a token, they declare. Is the home still an option? The statement implies that individuals are now owning. What method will be used to tokenize such homes? Tokenization options, such as allowing individuals to potentially tokenize 10% of their property value, will likely be the first to be introduced. Along with that, I'm confident they'll reap a plethora of benefits. My question is this: what if a home you want to buy is already tokenized? In that case, you would have to get all of the tokens linked to that house. I am interested in following the developments further. On the other hand, it's great to see that XRP assets are finally generating profits for certain people. Bitcoin Max's decision not to invest in XRP will be regretted, according to top wealth manager Linda P. Jones. Thus, Vader asserted in a tweet chart for Bitcoin investors that he swapped out all of his Bitcoin for XRP a year ago. These findings follow Linda's previous tweet highlighting the increasing demand for XRP as a result of various XRP ETF registrations. In her tweet, Linda reinforced her earlier prediction that many Bitcoin Maxes would come to regret not diversifying their portfolios with XRP this year. Vader countered by saying he converted last year. The financial expert responded by saying it was a brilliant choice. If you were successful with Bitcoin last year, for example. Since these exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are due to launch, why not move that capital into Ripple? Everyone was so worried about the Bitcoin ETFs. Keep in mind that was Bitcoin's best possible scenario. Obviously, you would want to send all of that money in Bitcoin if you saw it and made money off of it. Now that institutions are abandoning Bitcoin, I believe many of these people will eventually be destroyed. I also believe that many large Bitcoin holders are hoping for a government rescue to help them sell their holdings before the market crashes. And if the Bitcoin market crashes and the price falls precipitously, their faith in the cryptocurrency will quickly dwindle, and they may only liquidate a portion of their assets. If Bitcoin's price ever drops to these levels again, what will they do with the remaining 75% of its value? I'm saying this because there is too much phony tether supporting Bitcoin, which is why so many people are stuck in it. The reason behind their search for a government bailout and a multi-year bull market is this: I believe those individuals will eventually allocate 5% of their assets to cryptocurrency, as you pointed out, $70 trillion. Appreciate you taking the time to view my video. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.